How to change background colors in Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can change the background colors in your Instagram story. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what you need to do is, if I open up Instagram, let's say I want to actually upload a story, right? So when I want to upload a story, it is actually going to choose the background automatically for me based on the picture that I chose. So based on this picture, it is going to choose the background color automatically. The first way you can actually change this is by simply swiping and then looking for filters. So when you swipe and look for filters, it is going to change the filter, and when you apply the filter, the color of the background is also going to be changed. But that is not what we really want. What we want to do is we want a real background. What we need to do for that is, first of all, after you select any random image, we're going to convert this photo into a background. So what we'll do for that is just tap on the three dot icon from the top right, select the draw tool over here. Then after you select the draw tool, from the bottom pick any color that you want the background to have. So in this case, let's say I select red. Once you select red, long press on any place on the story and then it will be converted into a red or pinkish color. Then tap on done. Now we've selected a background color, but how do we add photo to this background now? Because as you can clearly see, we added the photo and converted it into a color so that we can add it as our background. Now to add a photo, it's very simple. All you have to do is tap on the sticker icon from the top right hand side of the screen. So once you tap on the sticker icon over here, you'll find all these filters where you have to look for the photos filter over here. If you don't find photos filter, you can also simply search for it. This right over here is basically a photos filter. If you're on Android, you'll see the plus button. So after you select this filter, just choose a photo that you want to add to your background. So over here I'll select a random photo in this case, and then once I select a photo, now you can see I've successfully added the photo in the custom background color. If I want, I can change the shape of this photo by just tapping on it to change it to circle, or tapping on it to change it to heart. Tap until you get the desired shape that you want. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then change the background color on Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.